Sony Pictures animation logo bloopers. Cut. Sony Pictures animation. You're not supposed to go faster than the speed of times 2. You're supposed to go normal speed. Sorry about that. That's good. Take 2. Sorry about that. Cut. P-head, why are you here? I'm trying to look for Dragging Tales. It got canceled. Dragging Tales is not here on the Sony Pictures animation logo, so get out of here. Wait. Take number 3. Cut. What's the class Gichupo splat on the Sony Pictures animation logo? Well, I'm taking over the studio because I love y'all so much. That's it. Time to kill it. Take number 4.
Fox Kids.
Cut. What's Fox Kids doing here? I'm looking for Roly Poly Oly. Roly Poly Oly does not air anymore, so get out of the studio. Alright, let's have another shot. Take 5. Cut. And Circle Entertainment, why are you here? I'm trying to look for Jim Henson. Sorry, but Jim Henson is not here. Why don't you go look for him on Sid the Science Kid and DVDs? Good idea. Alright, take it again. Oh my god, DHX, get out of here. You're not even invited to my 200 subscriber special. I'm joking, you are. So, cut. DHX, why are you here? I'm trying to look for Ed Circle Entertainment. Ed Circle Entertainment already left the studio. Why don't you go find him? Okay, take it again. Cut. Spiffy Pictures, why are you here? I'm looking for Curious Buddies in Jack and the Maze Box. Well, Curious Buddies in Jack and the Maze Box is not here, so get out of here. Alright, take it again. B.I.G. I told you, get out of my studio right now. Anyways, what are you doing here? I am trying to look for Russian TV. Sorry, but Russian TV is not here. Okay. I said get out of the studio. Oh, come on. Oh, there's my ball. Alright, take it again. CBS Television Distribution. Why are you here? I'm trying to look for shows that are for like teens. They're not here, so get out of here. Okay, fine. Let's try it again. Take it again. Cut. Sony Pictures Television, why are you here? I'm trying to look for adult show. I'm trying to look for shows that are for kids. Sorry, those are not here anymore. Why don't you go look for them on YouTube? Okay, that's it. I'm giving you one more chance, but if you screw this up, we won't do we will not celebrate my 200 subscriber special. Congratulations, Sony Pictures Animation. Now we can celebrate my 200 subscriber special. Now everybody come in the studio. Wow, everybody's here. We're gonna play some awesome songs. First, we like to party. Wow, this is a good party. I agree with you, two-headed pea-head. I agree with you too, Fire Comedy of Doom. First, we're gonna play Sugar Sugar. This song is from the Arshies. You mean the Arshies? Yes. It looks pretty great. Coffee on Uni. We look pretty good. Mr. P-Head. Hey Splat. Yeah? Why do you look so different? Are you like an adult? I'm not an adult. I'm still a logo. But I still exist in Nicktoons, Nickelodeon, Nick Rewind, T-Nick, and more. Even Nick at Night. Good choices. Purser is also celebrating too. Ah, booger. I thought the B mask was not invited. And why does the B backwards ID mask of Glow Design look so different? It's because I got new outfits for my mask, and my frog too, and my text. Next, y'all ready for this? Hey, wasn't the song played at P-Head's party? I think so. Anyways, for all the chaotic fun we had in the subscriber special, the Eddie, Classic Suppo, Puffy and Uni make like lots of more fun to do. I can't wait for the chaotic to be good. The V of Doom, I agree with the V of Doom. Why do we have to stay here with the Viacom V of Doom? It's because I wanted to be here. But the part of that is, technically invited to, I'm literally a Canadian logo. Mine's sometimes in different languages like English. Hey, where's DHX? Hey, here I am, guys. Wow, it's DHX. I didn't know he was here too. Did you say you were not inviting him? Probably. But this show was pretty good. Wait. If you like this song, we're gonna play. You forgot to say drumroll please. Drumroll please. I have no idea what we're gonna play. I really do not know what songs are from my childhood. I know. How about we play maybe the classic Suppo thing? Good idea. I have to agree on that. Actually, it's called Classic Suppo. STAJ. Man, I can't wait for Spiffy Picture. Noggin and Elvana fan 2000. Noggin, a Nickelodeon fan, 2005 to hit 200 subscribers. He should be here too, right? I agree, homie. Here I am, guys. Okay, I don't think we have time to party. Okay, you guys can leave the video now. Bye-bye. No, seriously, go. Thank you guys for 200 subscribers. I really appreciate it. And I hope I get 300 subscribers on my channel soon. And I really hope I get more episodes of logo bloopers. And movie company logos, I think I'd make them like long time because like I don't know. But anyways, that is going to wrap it up for everybody. So this is supposed to be Sony Pictures Animation Logo Bloopers. This video will be called Sony Pictures Animation Logo Bloopers. I'm not going to do peace out because I'm not going to do that for the outro today. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Please smash like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and hopefully I get 300 subscribers soon. You guys were the best. You guys are the best user ever. This is me. Noggin Nickelodeon fan 2005. Signing